Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. As y'all can see, a little shave today. Anyways, guys, we are going to finally see if we can figure out what's wrong with the Grizzly. I know it's a fray on the harness somewhere, but it's just becoming a pain in the butt to get all this stuff off. Gotta take all this plastic off. We got one of the hoses off. Just trying to get everything out of the way so we can get under here and trace this harness and all these stupid wires that go to the old lights that ain't even hooked up anymore. I'm gonna try to get everything out of the way. Anyways, let's get to this. If y'all want to know what's pain in the butt, is trying to get a rack off with all these different hoses ran up here for the relocation and the snorkels. Oh my gosh, I've been working on this forever. But I got them off, so now it's time to get this out the way. Oh crap, half my stuff's ran through them. Well, maybe, I guess I can pull it off on one side. Oh, look at all them wires. Woo, now we can start checking wires. Lord help us. Everybody say a quick prayer for me. We're going to start going through these and see if we can find out which one's frayed. Because something's frayed. It's blowing everything. Boys and girls, she is back alive. Battery's dead again, of course. But we got her going again. The CDI was burned up. I had a cheap Amazon special. I wouldn't recommend it. Get that thing going. And yeah, it burned up. But sadly, while trying to take the gas tank off, to get to all these wires to check them, because I checked all the wires. Yeah, I broke the petcock, so it's leaking gas now. So now I gotta drain all, which I want to drain all the gas anyways, because let's just say she runs, but you can tell she has some bad gas in her. But look, boys, Patches is running again. She's not looking nice on them X4 tiles, so I really gotta change them. And I got the light bar. Well, I figured out what's wrong with it. It was unplugged, but I ripped all the wires out because I had too many wires for like those lights, even though they ain't ran since I bought the foiler. So, oh, and for anybody having this problem, it kept blowing the ignition fuse. It was the CDI right here. It burned up for some reason, even though, don't get a cheap Amazon special. Go ahead and get one from the factory like I did. And now I got to charge the battery. Got to put this together. Well, I got to take this off first. Drain all the gas and put a new petcock on it and a choke cable. Well, guys, we get this done. Well, we got the what's that? Dang, I lost it. We got the petcock on, brand new, guys. That was this one. I don't know where I put the other one. Oh, there it is. Here it is. Replace this. All it is two Phillips head screws underneath the tank. All you got to do is put a screwdriver. Let's see if I found. This is flat. It's actually a Phillips, not a flat, guys. But it goes in this hole, goes all the way down, then come out, and you can pull this. Then you can pull this right off. Then you take 1, 2, and 3 and 4. You can, let's see. You see that hole right here? Yeah, that big hole right there? Yeah. Go right in there into 10 millimeters and pull. Don't forget to pull this wire out. And you can pull this, and then the gas tank comes right out, guys. And, oh, wait, you got to take the air box off too. I guess if you snorkeled, I don't know if it's the same, but my gas tank wouldn't go past, so I had to take that off. But anyways, we got the new petcock on, so this thing's ready to go. I'm gonna put the plastics on, and we're gonna go for a little ride, boys and girls. Hopefully she's good now. I'm sick of her being broke down. It's not her fault. It's just faulty Amazon parts, which ain't Amazon either. It's just cheap parts. I bought cheap parts. I have cheap problems. But anyways, let me get this back together. Ladies and gentlemen, Patches is back. She's put together. Everything's on. I did have a problem with the temperature light being on. There was a ground underneath the tank that I accidentally pulled out. So something to look out for. Ooh. Feels good to be back on Patches. And I still haven't put brakes on it. Four-wheel drive. And diff lock works now, guys. We got diff lock. Woohoo! You talk about being happy. I'm glad I finally have diff lock. I don't have to cut off myself. Good. I won't have to explain to everybody how it works. Thumbs up. Well, guys, we got patches running again, and as y'all can tell, the stock Wolverine tiles didn't. Okay, let it. Anyways, the stock tiles don't do so well, and they're still on here. So we'll get some new tiles on, and we'll try again. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you ain't already.